block exercise 11. So basic formulas are there. If a person can complete a work in 5 days, then 1 day's work of a person equal to 1 upon number of total days in which he completed work, means 1 upon 5. Okay, if it is x days, then 1 upon x part. 1 day's work equal to 1 upon number of total work in which he complete the work. Okay. And if a person can do in 1 day 1 upon x part or 1 upon a part of work, then total number of days he take to complete the work equal to 1 upon 1 day's work, means 1 upon a equal to a will go up, 1 into a upon a equal to a days. Okay, these are total days in which he will complete the work. Okay, again I am repeating, if 1 day's work you have to find, then 1 upon total number of days in which he is completing work, and if total number of days we have to find to complete the work equal to 1 upon 1 day's work. Okay, question number 1. A can do 3 upon 4 of the work in 12 days. In how many days can he complete 1 upon 8 part of work? Okay, so A can complete 3 upon 4 of the work equal to 12 days. A can complete 1 part of work equal to 12 upon 3 upon 4 means 12 into 4 upon 3, 3 4 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16 days. And A can complete 1 upon 8 of the work equal to 16 into 1 upon 8, means 3 upon 4 part of work is given 12 days, so 1 part of work means divide, and 1 upon 8 part of work will multiply 16 into 1 upon 8, 8 1 ja 8 2 ja 82 days. Okay. 3. A and B can polish the floor of a building in 18 days. A Elan can do 1 upon 6 of this job in 4 days. In how many days can B Elan polish the floor? So first we'll find 1 day's work of both. Okay. A and B can polish the floor of a building in 18 days. So 1 day's work of A and B equal to 1 upon 18. 1 upon total number of days in which they complete the work. 1 upon 18 part 1 day work. And A alone can do 1 upon 6th part of this job in 4 days. So A can complete in 4 days equal to 1 upon 6 part. A alone can complete in 1 day equal to 1 upon 6 into 4, 1 upon 24 part. Dear student, it is A and B and it is only A. So B can do in 1 day equal to A and B's work, 1 day's work of A and B, 1 upon 18 minus A's work, then only B's work will be there. Okay, my 1 upon 24 A's work. Now take LCM. LCM is 72. When you find LCM, then 72. 18 4 ja 72 and 24 3 ja. Okay, 1 upon 72. So B can complete the work equal to 1 upon 1 day's work of B, 1 day's work of B. Okay, 1 upon 72. 72 will go up. We can complete this work, okay, in 72 days. 6. A and B can do a piece of work in 6 days and 4 days respectively. A started the worked at it for 2 days and then was joined by B. Find the total time taken to complete the work. So A's 1 day's work is 1 day's work equal to 1 upon 6 part. 1 upon 6 part because A can complete a work in 6 days. So A's 1 day's work is equal to 1 upon 6 part. B's 1 day's work. 1 day's work equal to 1 upon 4 part. Why? Because B can complete a work in 4 days. 1 day's work of both. 1 day's work of both equal to 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 4 equal to LCM 12. 6 2s are 12. 4 3s are 12 equal to 5 upon 12 part. It is 1 day's work of both. Now, what is the question saying? A started the worked at it for 2 days. So 2 days work of A equal to 2 days work of A equal to 1 upon 6 into 2. 3 means 1 upon 3 part. He completed this work 1 upon 3. Then he joined to B. So remaining work 1 minus 1 upon 3. It is equal to 3 1 is 3 minus 1 2 upon 3 part. This is the remaining work. So in how many days both will complete this work? Okay, so both can complete 5/12 part of work equal to 1 day. Both can complete one part of work equal to, both can complete one part of work equal to 1/5/12. So 12 will go up, 12 will be up, 12/5. 12 will be multiplied by 1. Both can complete 2/3 part of work equal to 12/5 into 2/3. 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja, 4 2 ja 8/5, 1 whole 3/5 days. Okay.